everybody. So this is going to be our daily agenda for Monday, March 15th. Sorry about that, you guys. So for today, you are working on your 30-day writing challenge, as always. For day 23, we're going to describe a dream or a nightmare you once had, and how did you feel afterwards? So you're going to complete that prompt in 5 to 6 sentences. We are moving on today and still working on with our podcasting notes, but we are going to be changing, instead of those notes, I'm actually going to edit it right now so you guys can see it. We are going to be working on podcasting pages for this unit. So, we are going to be creating our own daily podcasting video. This is what is going to be required from your daily podcast video. I'm going to have you guys actually reflect in your pages what you guys want to answer. What do you want in your notebooks? And then you guys are going to be typing the topics that you want to look at and typing, well, why are you interested in that topic? And then our exit topic will be, what topics are you interested in podcasting? So, you guys have podcasting pages now. This is what they look like. It says, you guys are, if you have not done your intro to podcasting, you're going to put that here. And if you haven't listened to it, you're going to put it here, okay? Then you guys are, these are some potential topics that you guys can explore in your podcasts. You guys are going to be brainstorming it, so it's the same directions that I have on my PowerPoint slide, and you're going to answer one of the following questions. So you can answer, what's a moment in history all students should learn, show us both sides of a debate, or explain something that kids understand and grown-ups know. So if you want to explain to me what TikTok is, you can. Just let me know. What do you want to look at here? Then continue on. So which do you want your podcast to do? Highlight it. Inform us about a debate. Tell us how to make a change in the world. Explain something. And then just list the topics. So if you really want to do TikTok, put it here. If you want to do Fortnite, put it here. If you want to do something about the environment, here. If you want to do something about space, and then maybe lastly you want to talk about your family, you would put that down here, topic 5. And then narrow those down to 3. And then not just narrowing those topics, but tell me, why did you select this? Why did you select this? And why did you select them? Let me know. Do that brainstorming, that thinking. And then you guys are going to be looking for research articles. And you're going to choose the articles, names here, on why you did that. And then out of all of these topics, all of these articles you were able to find, I want you guys to tell me, what's your final topic? What do you feel like you would be very informed on? What do you feel comfortable talking about? We're going to be working on this all week, and this is going to be due Sunday, so you guys have 2 days in class to really be able to work on this. It's really only 4 slides, you guys. It's this, a little bit of this, and this. And if most of you have already finished this, all you have to do is copy and paste. I will be deleting our older podcast notebooks, because we were just having way too many troubles. So these will be deleted, but you'll still see the pages. It's just, this is what I will be grading for you guys, all right? As always, if you guys have any questions or just need some more info, reach out to me, Miss Arroyo, and we'll help you out. I'll see you guys in class.